What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another exciting video. And today we actually have our first official Japanese OCG product, Lightning Overdrive. So we get to see all the new Utopia support, the Zexal weapons, and we're gonna have a list of what the cards are that are in the set right next to us, so we can kind of get the names right and see what the future holds for the TCG, because this, as of recording, is the next booster set that we are going to get now that we have gotten Blazing Vortex. So it'll be kind of cool, get a leg up and see cool stuff that's coming in. But before we dive into that, we have a winner to announce. For the Millennium Rare Dark Magician Girl, the Prismatic Millennium Magician's Valkyria, Sage's Stone, and then I tossed in a Parallel Breaker and a holographic parallel Dark Magician of Chaos. And that winner is Mild Sauce. So go ahead and message me on the socials and we can get these cards sent out to you pronto. And without further ado, let us dive into the Lightning Overdrive and see what we can pull out of this box. No, didn't quite get it. So it's been quite a while since I've opened a legitimate Japanese pack. I actually couldn't tell you how long it's been. Let me pull up our handy dandy list on the Yugipedia page, where we can see exactly what these cards are that are in here. Ooh. There we go. Oh wow, so that's pretty neat. Looks like it comes with the card set list right on there. So that's pretty cool. Sweet. Oh, what's this? It's like a little promo pack that comes with the set. Is there a way I can make this from? Not auto-focusing so much. Let's see if I can fix this, guys. Okay, there we go. So Lightning Overdrive promo pack. I guess we'll go ahead and crack that open. I thought Japanese packs had... Oh, is that... There we go. Well, how handy is that? I am butchering this pack opening. Alright, let's see. Oh, wow, and it's a live twin. It is a live twin. Kill Frost. Okay. So that looks pretty cool. Go ahead and sleeve that up. That's a nice little treat. Oh, off to a little bit of a fun start now, huh? But before we dive fully into the opening here, we do have another giveaway. So you guys tell me down in the comments, out of the protagonist main monsters, and we'll say Firewall as playmakers, who is your favorite between Dark Magician, Elemental Hero Neos, Stardust Dragon, Utopia, since he is getting support in this this set. Odd Eyes Pendulum Dragon and Firewall Dragon. Who is your favorite? And like the video and be subscribed, and then we'll randomly pick your comment and we'll see if you win a Dragon Spirit of White, a Zodiac Trident, the True King, Drowning Mirror Force, and Blue Eyes Twin Burst Dragon, and Metal Foes Melithrium. So you guys comment down there, and that will put you into a new little giveaway. Be sure to be subscribed and like the video as well too. Goes a long way. Alright, well, let's go ahead and start with our first official OCG opening. Alright, so I am already going to be ruining how I open these packs, huh? Okay, so that's the new Bujin monster. We'll just go for the rares in terms of translating their names. It looks like Pegasus, that's kind of cool. The new Paleozoic Link. I'm not even sure what monster that is. It looks interesting though, so let's go ahead. So it's Star Mine. Interesting. A Utopia card. And that is a rare. It is the new Garden Maiden, I believe. So very nice. That should be a fun little addition. Probably the Dragon Link, I would imagine. I'm not too sure exactly what it does, but go ahead and do our normal. We're going to start with the right side. Alright. So having that little tear up there, it's actually pretty nice. The Korean packs need to get that. So new Zexal weapon. Ooh, that's Scrap Velociraptor or something? Yeah, sounds about right. This guy. So that's 28. Who are we looking at? Carbon Cornerstone of Creation. Interesting. I need Pendulum, we don't care about that. And another Zexal something, a ZS. Do you guys know what the ZS is? A ZW, I know, is Zexal weapon. Maybe Zexal staff? No, just ZS, Ascend Sage. Okay. Interesting. Interesting guy there. So this seems like it'll be a pretty interesting set, we'll say. Yeah, it's really tough not trying to tear the card when you open that, huh? Alright, so this guy. A nice little bear. A Bufo. Whatever that is. Ah, the new Sphinx card. Looks like Evil Twin stuff. And Spriggans, I believe. That is a Spriggans card, if I'm not mistaken. So it seems like they are the newest piece of the Dogmatica lore that is happening. With Fallen of Albaz and everything else that happens in that whole continuity storyline. Looks kind of like an Ice Barrier card. And another Pendulum. Oh, that's a nice little guy. What is he? 29? So that is Yamoy Mine. Yaimo Mine. Interesting. Oh, our first super rare. Nice. Oh, and you get a rare too. The new Plunder Patrol. Nice. Alright, well, let's go ahead and sleeve that up. This is number 55 in the set. So that makes this card Stigmatica of White. Interesting. Looks like the Avatar. Very cool. Ah, super rare, and it can also come as a Prismatic Secret. Very interesting. So I'm not even sure what the ratios are for Japanese sets. So So this will be rather interesting. A little bit of a longer video. Let's see. There's got to be a better way of opening these, right? Do I even have? Nope, we don't have any skeezers, guys. That's not going to help us. Huh, looks like a code breaker almost. Scrap Raptor. The Bufo. Quick play. Is this that new... was it like Carnival archetype? An AVHH. Interesting. Very, very interesting. So what do you guys think? There's been a lot of reports on what's going to be the new cards that are in here with the Utopia support. Do you think Utopia will see some more gameplay, or just going to keep seeing Utopia double in the in meta matches? Wow, okay, so that's with Playmaker back there. So Ignister support. Oh, nice. And our first ultra rare. Let's see what this guy is. That is beautiful. It looks like a Pokemon almost. So that is Heavenly Radiance Bahartia? Very nice. That deserves a sleeve because that is beautiful. That is a beautiful card. Very nice. It seems like the set has some pretty cool stuff in it. It has the new Black Rose monster. It has Dark Honest, which obviously everyone's like, oh, they should have been Dishonest, which, yeah, that would have been pretty cool. New at Ignister. Looks just like I in that one episode when he took over the board. This odd fella. Some kind of rock machine, maybe? That's fire. And a super rare. Looks like another, yep, the Amazement, I think they're called. $71. So that should probably give us a solid amount of what these guys are called again. Amaze Attraction, Cyclone Coaster. Okay. Makes sense with the CC. And some rare. Although it is cool to see these arts before we officially get them over here in the TCG. Though it seems like our rarities tend to differ whenever we get something. There's that mine thing. Ice Barrier. A little Rose Monster. Probably help bring out the, yeah, I believe that's a tuner. The new Maiden, huh. Oh wow, that is quite the beast. 41. I just want to see what that card's name is. So that is the Spriggan's Merry Maker. Nope, 44. So I am clearly blind. The Tri-Brigade, Bear Bloom, the heavy hitter. Okay, that makes sense. That looks more like a Tri-Brigade. Very cool. So it seems like everything's just getting support in these future sets. They keep choosing at least one big main monster. I mean, it was Armed Dragon, Dark Rebellion before that, Stardust after this one, Dawn of Majesty. So we have quite the interesting ride coming up ahead of us. Another Zexal. Oh, nice. And a super rare. This might be a Magistus, maybe? 42? Nope. Yes! Rulona, the Magistus Glass Witch. So that is a very nice looking card. Oh, and the Utopia looking Bujin. Looks very cool. So we'll go up and sleeve up our Magistus. So you guys let me know if you like these OCG openings. Maybe I'll get some more packs down the line. Some older boxes as well too. Maybe we can see if we can get some classic stuff. Ah, another S-Force. Looks like the old basket samurais from Samurai Jack. Very cool. Everything is just getting support in here, I tell you. Plunders, Magistus, S-Force. And Pendulum. Cute little lizard guy. Zexal weapon. Ah, this looks like maybe FA? No, it's AA. Alright, so Amaze. Ooh, and the new little Rose Dragon. The new little one. Since we still have the Blood Red Rose Dragon, I believe, in this set. I think the new Drytron Xyz is in here as well, too. That sounds about right. Alright, so this feller. The Bufo. Some kind of zombie, I think? Oh, wow, we pulled... Okay, so I guess they just put in a random card in that little promo pack. I don't know if it's always a holo or what, but... Oh, what is this guy? 37. Laval. Very nice. So Laval's even getting support in here. That is crazy. Like I said, literally all these random little archetypes getting support. Now, begs the question if it's good support, but they're getting it, so I guess that's better than none, right? Scrap Raptor. That guy. Another Amazement. And Ignister card. I see you. And I want to play you. Because Ignister seems pretty cool. You guys tell me though, with this new support, is Ignister going to be a credible meta deck? Something that's going to see play? S-Force with the dogs. Little Rose Maiden. Another Ignister card. A Utopia. That's Utopia Ray, I think. That's on there. Oh, wow. And a ultra rare. The Amusement Feller. That is number 6. So that is Amazement Administrator. Arlecchino. Not bad, not bad. Seems like quite the archetype. This is the last pack on the right side. So far I pulled a few supers. I think that was our first ultra. Nope. The Heavenly Radiance feller. Pokemon looking guy was our first ultra, so not doing too bad, I don't think. Not that I know what the ratios are in Lightning Overdrive or any real Japanese set. S-Force with IP Masquerena in there, so I guess they are now connected in the same story. So first pack on the left side. See what we can get. Pegasus. Ice Barrier. Sphinx. Another... Oh, it's a super rare. Very nice. Cornica. Probably Amazement Administrator. I would imagine. Amazement Attendant. Comica. Very nice. Oh, and the new Link 1 at Ignister, which supposedly is a very good card for them. Really going to help them kind of get a little more consistent. I think it helps search out the field spell, doesn't it? It's almost like their own Striker Dragon, which we all know how good Striker Dragon is in Dragon Link right now, so. Alright, these guys again. Starmine. Pendulum. Interesting. I don't know what that is. Oh, wow! And Prismatic. The live twin, Kill Frost. We just keep getting this girl, huh? Very nice. It's quite the looker right there. That's definitely going to a sleeve. Man, that looks good. Not bad, not bad. So that is our Prismatic. Maybe just our secret. I'm not too sure how it is in the OCG. So I might have just really undersold that. But I guess we're gonna find out, huh? Ah, another Garden Rose. Female. I'll tell you, these packs, so much easier than the Koreans. Which, speaking of that, I don't think we're going to... Oh, wow! Nice! There it is. The Dark Honest. Very cool. Very nice. Oh, man. That is sick. Now that is sick. But I don't think we're going to do too many more Korean openings. It seems like you guys aren't too big on them. Sometimes they're fun, sometimes they're just, you know, really depends on the set. I mean, some of those GX sets, those are fun. Oh, the new, the new book card. And this guy looks like a weird-looking kaiju. So that's number 4. Let's see what this guy is. Supreme Arch Serpent Golgonda. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Speaking of kaijus, Godzilla, King Kong, out in theaters and HBO Max now. Something I'm probably gonna have to sit down and watch. That sounds pretty good. Oh, nice little sea otter. How cute is that? Oh, and a Sinister Serpent coming out of Pot of Greed. Very nice. Now that's a card that's impacted the game, Sinister Serpent. Let's get a new version of that, since they keep rehashing old cards at this point, right? Well, I feel like, oh, right when I was going to say, I feel like we've pulled pretty much all the same cards. We get this guy. And this guy, is this a Rose card, an amusement card? 56 in the set. So it is, let's see, Amazing Time Ticket. You get that, you're going to have an amazing time apparently, huh? So I do wonder with how much they invested into that archetype, if it's going to actually be good by the time it comes to the TCG, or it's going to be lackluster. Because you never know. There are some duelists out there that can really break a deck. Ah, that looks like from the opening of Reigns. A new Zexal Weapon Xyz card. Very nice. And that should make all those Utopia boys happy, huh? I've always liked Utopia. I thought he was a good Xyz. And Zexal something. Pendulum. Is that the only Pendulum card in here? I feel like it's the only one that we've seen. Cute lizard boy. That's a hell of an artwork. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. This is an ultimate rare. It is the new Utopia. Number 39 in the set. Dragonic Utopia Ray and an ultimate rare. that looks nice. That is clean. Very, very nice. So I wonder, will people be playing that once it comes out? So I'm not even actually sure what he does, to be completely honest, but it looks cool. A lot of the Utopia cards look pretty cool, if I do say so myself. Ice Barrier. This girl. This guy. Another Amazement card. And the Tri-Brigade Link. That's a deck that has gotten a lot of credibility lately. I think they call it Bird Up, right? Alright, let's see. We are down to our last few packs, so 4 after this. So let's see what else we can pull. I'm not too sure it's in here. Maybe the new Black Rose card. That'd be pretty cool. Well, looks like some kind of haunted house. Probably Amazement Adventure Haunted House or something like that. They tend to have haunted houses at carnivals, so I'd say that kind of fits the bill. So this pack really does contain a lot of support for a lot of different archetypes that probably need the new Fallen of Albaz Ritual. So this guy, 32, Dogmatica Albaz Knight. So really combining the whole archetype together. So that's interesting. We'll see if maybe Dogmatica gets splashed with Drytron. I know they tend to really like their ritual monsters all across the board, so that will be interesting to see. I'm sure someone out there will try it and they'll think it's great. Oh, Lingaribo versus Linkaribo. And the Plunder Patrol Bird, maybe? That's a whole series I'd like to see get some solid support. Plunders, they're always pretty cool. I thoroughly enjoyed them. I thought they would have been cool in Maximum Gold. Being pirates and having the gold theme. I thought that was just kind of right in itself right there. And Spriggans. And we are down to our last Lightning Overdrive pack. So let's see if we can get that last pack luck in this one. See if we can pull something crazy out of this. New Paleozoic. This gargoyle looking guy. Zexal something. Saber? Spear maybe? Evil Twins. And nope, it is... I know we pulled this earlier. 51. But it's our last card, so why don't we just go ahead and look it up anyways. Zexal Construction. Okay. Alright guys, so that was all that we had for today. We had some pretty cool pulls. Some Dogmatica stuff. An Ultimate Rare, which is very nice to pull. Dark Honest, who... Come on, he looks crazy. I know you discard him when you declare battle, and your opponent's monster's attack becomes 0. It's like the complete opposite of Honest. It's crazy. And a nice, I don't want to say it's Starlight, Prismatic? Yeah, Prismatic. Secret. Live turn. Kill. Yeah, Kill Frost. Comica. Alchino, I believe. 2 Frost. Go figure. So we got a whole place up. New Magistus. The coaster, the roller coaster. Cool Pokemon looking guy. And the avatar sitting in there. So that is all for today. Be sure to tell me who your favorite protagonist ace monster is in the comments below. We are including Firewall as playmakers, Now that it did get errata, and people are going to be able to play it coming up, I believe. I think when Ghosts from the Past get released, so that sounds about right. If you do that, then you will be able to win the Ultras and the Secrets that we pulled from our 3 packs in our Yugi Megaton from 2017. So be sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna start probably posting on there a little bit more consistently, and I'm pretty bad at that right now. But we will see you guys next time. Who knows, maybe we'll have another cool thing to open, something a little more out of the left field again, much like Lightning Overdrive. So we will see you guys on the next one.